HashSet is a special collection that automatically keeps all the elements unique. If you try to add the same item multiple times, it only stores one copy. This makes it perfect for removing duplicates or quickly checking if something exists in a collection. Creating one is straightforward. You use the HashSet keyword and then define the type. When you want to add items, you use the add method. If you add the same value again, it simply gets ignored. No exceptions thrown, no duplicate entries, just automatic uniqueness enforcement. HashSet also supports mathematical set operations just like in a math class. You can use union with to combine sets, intersects with to find common items between sets, and except with to remove specific elements. These operations make complex data manipulation simple and expressive. Use HashSet whenever you need unique items and lightning-fast membership checks with contains.